juice. That's a lot of loot. That bit fire. Yeah, she kinda cute. Yeah, she wanna slice.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Cause I be loving hard. Do everything like my shirt. It's a large. I go on and on. Can't understand how it lasts so long. I must have soup.
Chewy, you're 4 months today. I mean, you're 3 months today, Chewy. Chewy, you're 3 months today, Chewy. Hey, Chewy. You're 3 months today, huh? Chewy. I'm gonna take him out to the bathroom right now so he can go poop and pee. Hey. You wanna go poop and pee right now? You wanna go poop and pee? You wanna go poop and pee? What? Hey. You wanna go? You wanna go, huh? Okay, that's the time to go. That's the sign to go. All right? That's the sign to go, huh? You gotta go, huh? You gotta go? Okay. Let's go.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Chewy's 3-month birthday.
Okay, yeah, so this morning he kind of started off bad. He woke up and he started crying, so we decided, let's just bring him to the bed. And I leave to go somewhere. Ali calls me and tells me he's in trouble. And I said, why, what happened? He peed on the bed.
For the second time this week.
And he had just peed on our comforter. On our
brand new one.
Brand new comforter. And I already knew it not to put him there again. I told Ali, let's not keep him in the bed no more. Like, I'm done. Like, especially since it was brand new, now we got to take it to the laundry and clean it, whatever. So, yeah, I come back. And he's in his little cage.
I was turning around to go grab him, and I saw him like starting to look around, and I was like, Chewy, come over here. And then he walked over to the edge of the bed, and he like sits down, but it doesn't look like he was peeing. And I was like, is he peeing? And then I pick him up really fast, and then you see
bad boy,
a little bit of pee on the bed.
Bad boy.
And I was like, ooh, Chewy, how'd you pee again for the second time this week? Huh?
He's being cranky right now. I don't know if it's because he's growing up and his things are dropping, or he's just really testing our patience.
We decided to all not match, but I'll be in the cozy spirit.
Yeah, we're all cozy, looking like a cozy family. When we get back, he's on timeout. Okay, guys, so we just got to this grocery store called 99 Branch. Ali's about to get some stuff to make for dinner tonight.
Ooh.
And Chewy's been asleep this whole time. That's why we haven't been really filming.
He literally sleeps all day, and then once we get home, he literally is like a ball of energy.
Right now, we're about to go home. I'm gonna play with him for a little bit. Sometimes he goes hides under the couch, but I guess he's a little too big now to fit under the couch. That's what Ali was saying.
He gets stuck now. He used to just run under like crazy.
So today, he turns 3 months. 3 months. I wonder how big he's gonna get.
Literally doubled in size. He's doubled in size since we've had him. So I can't even imagine how big he's gonna get. Our baby's getting big. I'll be back. I'm gonna go in the store.
All right, so we just got home. All right, I told you. As I was reaching. I told you though. I told you. Look. I'm gonna show you exactly what just happened. Why'd you do that?
You say like you're
bad boy. thank you guys for watching today's video. Thank you guys for watching Chewy turn 3 months today with us. We really enjoyed the intro to this video. I'm pretty sure he didn't enjoy it, but you know, he had to live a little sometimes.
I think he enjoyed it.
But yeah, if you guys like this video, hit that like and subscribe button down below. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below of how his dancing was.
Let us know if you want to see more videos like that. We enjoyed making it.
So, like me and my wifey always like to say, thank you guys for watching. Allie and Alan.